Good morning, students. So, as you all know, that in the last class we started a new chapter, that is chapter 7, Soils of India. And we discussed about the importance of soil. Today we will learn about the formation of soil or how the soil is formed. So, let us now read how that happens. The formation of soil is a process that takes over hundreds of years. Some of the factors responsible for the soil formation are, so here there are three factors given, children. First is rain, second is climate, and third is plants. So we will read about them one by one. Now, as you all read, that soil takes hundreds of years to be formed. So it does not happen in 1 or 2 days. Soil does not form in 1 or 2 days. It takes many years to get formed. Now, what are the factors or ways by which soil is formed? Let us read about them one by one. So, first is rain. When the rain falls over the mountains, the water brings with it very small rocks and minerals. The process of wearing or grinding down of particles washed away by the water is called erosion. These fine rock particles settle down on river beds or land and make soil. So children, the soil is formed by three ways, and first way is through rain. So when the rainfall occurs on the mountains, the rainfall or the rainwater falls on the mountain slope. So the rain falls on the mountain slopes and brings down very small rocks and minerals along with it. So the rainfall that happens, it happens with a lot of force. The rain falls on the mountains with a lot of force and it breaks down it into smaller pieces. So the mountain breaks down into smaller pieces, and the process of wearing means breaking. The process of wearing or breaking or grinding down of particles and then washing away of those rock particles by rainwater is termed as erosion. So here erosion of mountain takes place due to the falling of rainwater on the mountains. Now, after the erosion happens, these small pieces of rocks flow down with the river. We all know that mountains have rivers originating from them. So those rivers will carry down the broken pieces of rocks and it will settle down on the river beds or land, and it will make soil. So how is soil formed from the rain? When the rain pours on the mountain with a lot of force, it breaks the mountain into smaller pieces. And as we all know that river originate from the mountain, so those rivers, they will bring down those fine pieces of rocks along with them, and then they will settle it down on the river bed or on the land, and thus soil is formed. So this was the first way. Now let us read the second way by which the soil is formed, and it happens through the climate. Moisture, rain and temperature together can break down the rocks and hard surfaces into fine particles. Extreme temperatures also affect the mountains and rocks. Too much heat leads to the expansion and cracking of hard surfaces. When it rains, the water gets collected in these cracks, and when temperature goes below freezing point, the frozen water puts pressure on the sides of the rocks, breaking them further into smaller pieces. So children, soil is formed from the rocks. soil is formed from the rocks, and due to the action of sun, rain, wind, these factors break down the rocks into fine particles. So, the temperature the temperature also affects the mountain and rocks, because the extreme heat of the sun causes cracks in the rocks. So the sun or the heat of the sun causes cracks in the rocks, and due to a lot of heat the rock expands. Expand means it becomes bigger in size, and as a result cracks occur in it, or cracks it makes cracks in those rocks. Later, when the rainfall occurs, the rainwater gets inside these cracks. So the rainwater gets inside these cracks, and when the temperature drops, means when it becomes very cold, the water which is in those cracks, it freezes. How you keep water in a fridge and then it turns into ice? In the same way, the water which gets inside those cracks freezes and it becomes like a solid ice. Then the frozen water puts a great amount of pressure on the sides of the rocks. So the frozen water puts pressure on the rocks, and in this way rocks breaks into smaller particles. So in this way children, climate also affects the formation of soil. Due to the action of sun, the mountain gets crack, and when the rainfall occurs, the rainwater gets inside the cracks, and when the temperature falls, means when it becomes cold, the water freezes and it puts pressure on those on the cracks of those rocks, and later on with a lot of pressure those rocks, it gets broken down into smaller, finer particles, and thus again soil is formed. Now lastly children, due to the plants also soil is formed. Now let us read how that happens. So the roots of the plants can also break hard rocks into very fine pebbles. The roots penetrate into the cracks and break the rocks. The sediments or pieces of rocks may move around quickly, but it takes hundreds of years to turn them into soil. If the soil gets polluted, we cannot renew it in our lifetime. It takes thousands of years for it to be formed again. So children, plants can also break hard rocks into fine pebbles or fine particles. As we all know, the roots of the plant remain in the soil and it penetrates. Penetrate means the roots of the plants go deep down into the soil, and the root of the plant also breaks the rock. So the root gets inside the crack of the rock and it breaks the rock. Now the broken rock takes around hundreds of years to turn into soil. This process, this breaking of rocks, does not happen in just one day. It takes many, many years for it to completely break down into very fine particles and thus help in the formation of soil. So children, these three factors, rain, climate and plants, all these three factors help in the formation of soil. Now as you just read that soil takes millions of years to be formed. So if the soil gets polluted, we cannot make it again very quickly. That is why soil is a very important natural resource and we should not pollute it by throwing waste here and there. So children, this was it for today. So today we learned about how the soil is formed by the rocks. So when the rock breaks into smaller pieces due to rainfall, climate and plants, soil is formed, and it takes hundreds of years to make soil. Now, children, you will revise the portion that is taught today, and in case of any doubts, you can message me on Campus Care. I will see you all in the next class. Thank you, children.